Good morning and welcome to Goethals News Bulletin 2, bringing you the highlights of April 2026.
It has been a month filled with achievements, learning experiences, competitions and celebrations across the school.
From academic excellence to sporting action and vibrant school events, we bring you all the top stories. Let's begin with the headlines.
Class 9A promotes career awareness. Under 14 cricketers shine at 4th Edition Bicentennial Tournament in Darjeeling. Goethals Thunderbolts crowned inaugural GPCL champions in thrilling final. Boarders enjoy fun-filled day at Sunshine School Faith. Class 8A highlights importance of self-respect in Assembly. Class 7B promotes growth mindset in Assembly. Goethals struggles in chase. Victoria boys triumph in Edinburgh Tournament. GMS battles tough opponents at St. Augustine's Tournament. Interclass singing competition enthralls all. Goethals hosts Grand Lil Champs Fest 2026. Hard work rewarded with academic awards. Goethals salutes the service of Mr. Rajan Chetri.
Class 9A conducted an insightful assembly on the theme Exploring Careers Beyond Doctors and Engineers. Let's go over to our correspondent Ritvik of Class 5 for more details.
Class 9A presented an engaging assembly highlighting diverse cultural options beyond traditional choices for doctors and engineers. Students spoke about opportunities in science, art, business, social sciences, sports and technology, encouraging everyone to follow their interests and talents. Creative chart like a career tree and mind maps reinforce the message that no profession is small and that true success comes from doing what one loves. The program was appreciated by the principal and teachers for spreading awareness about career choices. This is Ritvik Shah for Goethals News.
Thank you, Ritvik, for that report. The assembly truly inspired students to explore their potential and make informed career choices.
We have a report on the Cricket Under 14 4th Edition Bicentennial Tournament held at St. Paul's School. Let's go over to our reporter Vivansha of Class 8A, who was also a member of the team, for more details.
The Cricket Under 14 4th Edition Bicentennial Tournament held from 8 to 11th April 2026 brought together young and talented cricketers for an exciting display of skill, discipline and teamwork. The opening match between GMS and SAS set a competitive tone for the tournament. SAS won the toss and elected to bat first, posting a strong total of 153 runs in 20 overs. GMS put up a determined fight in their chase but were restricted to 103 for 9, handing SAS a well-deserved victory. In the second match, GMS made a strong comeback against MHS. Winning the toss, GMS chose to bat and once again posted an impressive 153 for 4 in 20 overs. MHS struggled to keep up with the required run rate and were bowled out for 70 runs in 18 overs, resulting in a convincing win for GMS. Shaurya was awarded the man of the match for an outstanding performance. Overall, the tournament has showcased enthusiasm, sportsmanship and promising young talent. This is Vivansha for Goethals News.
Thank you, Vivansha, for that update. We wish all the teams the very best for their upcoming matches.
Goethals Thunderbolts have clinched the inaugural GPCL title in a thrilling final. Let's go over to our reporter Ninam for Class 8A for more details.
In a nail-biting, low-scoring encounter, the Goethals Thunderbolts defeated the Goethals Tigers by 7 runs to lift the first ever Goethals Premier Cricket League title. Led by their calm and composed captain, Aprojit Roy Burman, the first Thunderbolts put up a strong all-rounder performance. Batting first, They scored 64 runs with Aprojit contributing a crucial 18. He then struck early with the ball, taking 2 wickets in first over and putting the Tigers under pressure. The bowlers maintained tight control, and despite a determined effort, the Tigers fell short on a challenging pitch. Aprojit Roy Burman was also named Best Bowler, while Aryavir of the Tiger won Best Batsman. Other awards including Devopriyo as Best Wicketkeeper, Supradeep as Best All-Rounder, and Surya Singhania as Emerging Player. The event was graced by Principal Brother Miles Alam along with other distinguished guests, and the tournament concluded with an exciting prize distribution ceremony. This is Neenam for Goethals News.
Thank you, Ninam, for that report. Congratulations to the Goethals Thunderbolts on their historic victory.
On 9th April, a group of boarders visited Sunshine School for the school fete. The students had a wonderful time enjoying a variety of fun games, delicious food, and lively interactions with fellow students. It was a day filled with joy, excitement, and memorable experience for all who attended.
Class 8A conducted a meaningful morning assembly on the theme Self-Respect. Let's hear more from our reporter Anmol of Class 5.
The morning assembly by Class 8A was conducted and was focused on the important value of self-respect. The program began with a prayer, creating a calm and positive atmosphere. Students clearly explained the concept of self-respect and highlighted its benefits, such as building confidence, making better decisions, and earning respect from others. They also spoke about the effects of low self-respect, including lack of confidence and fear of expressing oneself. The speakers further discussed factors influencing self-respect like family environment, peer pressure, social media, and personal experiences. They emphasized the importance of positive surroundings and supportive relationships. Practical tips were also shared, including believing in oneself, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, and maintaining a positive mindset. Overall, the assembly was well organized, informative, and left a strong message for all students. This is Anmol Anj for Goethals News.
Thank you, Anmol, for that insightful report. It was indeed a valuable initiative by Class 8A.
Class 7B recently conducted an inspiring assembly on the theme Right and Growth Mindset. Let's go to our reporter Sai Chen of Class 8 for more details.
Class 7B presented a meaningful assembly on 18th April 2026, focusing on the importance of having right and growth mindset. The highlight of the assembly was a short skit based on a test result scenario. Through this, students clearly showed how a fixed mindset can lead to discouragement, while a growth mindset helps in learning from mistakes, putting in effort, and improving academically. The message strongly emphasized that success comes through perseverance and a willingness to learn. This was followed by a pledge where students committed themselves to replacing fixed thinking with a growth mindset and to remain positive and resilient in their academic journey. The assembly concluded with a prayer, leaving everyone inspired to adopt the right mindset in their daily lives. I am Saichen Khaling, reporting for Goethals News.
Thank you, Sai Chen, for that insightful report. It was indeed an inspiring initiative by Class 7B.
A zonal qualifier match was recently played between Victoria Boys School and Goethals Memorial School. Let's go to our reporter S.K. Mahin of Class 8B for more details.
The zonal qualifier match of the Edinburgh Shield Tournament took place on 19th April 2026 at Goethals Memorial School. Goethals Memorial School won the toss and chose to bowl. Due to uncertain weather conditions, the match was reduced to a 25-over game. Victoria Boys School made a strong start, with their openers building a solid foundation. The middle order continued the momentum, helping the team reach a competitive total of 155 runs. In response, Goethals Memorial School began their chase confidently, but soon lost wickets at regular intervals and struggled to form strong partnerships. The team was eventually bowled out for 72 runs in 14.3 overs. Victoria Bay School delivered an excellent all-round performance and secured a well-deserved victory. Despite the loss, the match proved a valuable learning experience for Goethals Memorial School.
This is SK Mahin reporting for Goethals News.
Thank you SK Mahin for that update. We wish the team better success in their upcoming matches.
We bring you highlights from the Inter-School Basketball Tournament 2006, where our boys from Goethals Memorial School showcased commendable effort, determination and true sportsmanship. For more details, let's go over to our correspondent Om Ghosh of Class 8A.
Goethals Memorial School, ICC and ISC teams participated in the Inter-School Basketball Tournament held at St. Augustine Schools, Kalimpong. In the ICC category, Goethals Memorial School faced tough competition. In the first match against NP Darjeeling, GMS lost with a score of 28-13. In the second match against DGH, despite a strong effort, GMS narrowly lost with the score of 36-33, leading to their exit from the ICC category. Moving to the ISC category, the boys continued to display determination. Their first match against NP Darjeeling ended in a close defeat 25-23. In the second match against SAS Kalimpong, GMS lost with the score of 33-15. However, the team bounced back in the third match against St. Paul's School, securing victory with the score of 29-22. Despite the challenging outcomes, the players demonstrated grit, reliance and true sportsmanship throughout the tournament. The team was guided by coach Mr. Daryl David, with Mr. Bernard Rafael Lakra serving as team manager. This is Om Ghosh for Goethals News.
Thank you, Om Ghosh, for that report. Though the results were mixed and the spirit and determination shown by our players are truly commendable, we wish them greater success in future tournaments.
An inter-class singing competition was successfully held at Goethals Memorial School. The event featured different class categories along with solo singing performances. Students from all classes participated with great enthusiasm, showcasing their musical talent and confidence. Each performance was well appreciated, creating a lively and entertaining atmosphere. The competition concluded on a joyful note, with students leaving the audience thoroughly entertained.
Lil Champ Fest 2026 was successfully organized by Goethals Memorial School on 30th April. The event was inaugurated by Principal Brother Miles Alums. Students from classes 3 to 6 participated enthusiastically in 2 categories, taking part in 7 competitions including elocution, spell bee, quiz, and solo singing. Over 160 students from 7 schools made the fest vibrant and highly competitive. The event concluded with a prize distribution ceremony led by the principal, making a successful celebration of young talent, confidence, and healthy competition.
Academic prizes were awarded to students who excelled in their studies at a special ceremony held in the Edmund Rice Auditorium. The event recognized the hard work, dedication, and outstanding achievements of the students. The ceremony was marked by applause and pride, as deserving students were honored for their academic excellence.
A grand and heartfelt farewell program was organized for Mr. Rajan Chetri, the senior teacher who recently retired after 34 years of dedicated service to the school. Students and staff presented cultural performances and expressed their gratitude for his valuable contribution to the Goethals family. Mr. Chetri was honored by the principal, the brothers, staff, and students for his commitment and service. In his address, Mr. Chetri thanked the principal, brothers, staff, and students for their love, respect, and cooperation throughout his journey at the school. Goethals Studio had also featured an interview with him last year under the program Meet Your Mentors. We thank you, sir, for your dedicated service and wish you a happy and fulfilling retired life.
And with that, we come to the end of today's news bulletin. It has truly been an eventful and inspiring month at Goethals Memorial School.
We congratulate all the students for their achievements and encourage everyone to continue striving for excellence. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.
Have a wonderful day.